Good morning, this is Wayne Blau with another smart profit maximizing moment. Today, before I get started, we're going to talk about you went to Vegas, you went to the casino, you went to the racetrack, you hit it big. Is that taxable? Before I get started, let me do a better job introducing myself. My name is Wayne Blau. I'm the founder of a local CPA firm in El Paso, Texas since 1991. Actually been working as a CPA since the late 70s, so I've been doing it a long time. Unfortunately, that stupid thing on the wall keeps reminding me it was the late 70s. Anyways, almost all that time I've been working with small business owners and their businesses, except for a small stint, well, about 6 years where I was the comptroller and then CFO of a local bottling company, Coca-Cola bottling company. And started my business in 1991. We specialize, well, we mainly do three things, all right? We do tax returns. We're in the middle of tax season right now. We do tax planning. We finished that in December, year-end tax planning. Over the last 4 years, we've saved our clients over $5 million legally, all right? I like my clients, but I don't feel like going to jail with them. And of course, the last thing we do is business coaching, profit coaching. The reason you're in business is to make money. Today, though, we're going to talk about a little bit of taxes. Yeah, you went to the casino, the racetrack, whatever, you hit it big. Are you going to be taxed? Well, normally when you win, almost all the time now, the casino will ask you for information before they pay you out, such as your name, address, social security number. This information is sent to the IRS. At the end of the year, the casino is going to send out 1099-G, and you're going to get a copy which has to go on your Form 1040 at the end of the year. But there are legitimate ways for you to not pay as much, all right? That's called gambling losses. It's very rare that somebody walks up to a machine, sticks in $1 or a quarter or a nickel or whatever, and pulls it the first time and wins, or goes to blackjack and they win. That can happen. I've had that happen to me. So for example, let's use an example. Let's say you play for 3 hours straight and put in $1,500. You currently have $200 left out of your original $1,500. You have lost $1,300. Your next spin, you win $1,000. All right. You can offset the $1,000 with your previous losses. Now, here's the catch: you cannot claim gambling losses on your return. You can only offset your winnings. All right. In the previous example, in reality, you lost $300. Total gambling losses $1,300 minus the $1,000 you won. But on your return, you can only take the $1,000 loss to offset your gains. On top of that, you need proof, all right? Now, good news is almost all casinos and racetracks and things like that, especially casinos, have players clubs. They're free to join. Get one. Stick your card in. It keeps track of how much money you've been putting in and how much money you take out. I had a client last year, had $115,000 or something like that in winnings. Had the players club card. When we were able to look at it, he actually made about $7,000, all right? Otherwise, he would have been taxed about $20,000, $30,000 on something he didn't make, all right? So truthfully, get with that and do it. But remember, there's a couple other things that are a problem, okay? They're itemized deductions, your losses. Your winnings go straight on page 1 of the 1040. Your losses go on Schedule A. And if you don't own a house and all that other garbage, you got to get over $12,000 if you're single, $24,000 if you're married, all right? It's hard to do. Even if you got a house, this probably won't be deductible because most people, the standard deduction is going to be higher than the itemized deduction, including your losses. A little complicated. Get with your tax preparer. Make sure they explain it to you well, all right? So next time you hit the slots, remember, IRS wants their share. Hey, until next time, this is Wayne Blau saying let's make this our most profitable year ever. Thank you very much.